Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apsarah from Zero Ever Beauty. Hope everything's all well. I haven't done one of these hauls for the longest time and I'm really excited to get back on it and show you guys some new products that I received. So I wanted to get right into it. So this is the big bag that I received and I'll go ahead and show you with my first Sephora. This is something I always wanted to get. This is the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. These colors are so gorgeous. As you can see, it has more of like the reddish kind of like burgundy colors, and I think these are so complementary to brown eyes or any eye color. Is just, it adds a little bit of warmth to your eyeshadow, especially if you add it above your transition color. But oh my god, look at the packaging. It's kind of like a velvety feel, and when you open it, look at how freaking gorgeous that is. Oh, sorry. These are all the colors, but it comes with a mirror on top. And then these are the colors. So you'll see a lot of nudes, a lot of burgundies, oranges, pinks, and reddish tone colors. But the red ochre looks gorgeous. The real Gar is super gorgeous too. So they have like a burnt orange, and I'm obsessing over this palette. It also comes with this eyeshadow duo. So there's like a blending brush, and then there's just kind of like an eyeshadow brush. But I got this gift from my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. I got the Dr. Bronner's. This is the 18-in-1 Hemp Rose Pure Castle soap, and this is an all-in-one. You can use this on home, body, and earth. Also received the CeraVe Cleansing Hydrating Cleanser for the face. This is non-drying, and it's really hydrating, so it's great for dry skin. We also have the Physicians Formula. This one is their Cushion Corrector and Primo Doer. This is their corrector, primer, and primer duo. The peach is gonna neutralize any darkness, like dark circles that you may have, and then the purple helps brighten up dull looking skin. And this one has an SPF of 20. This one's from Physicians Formula. The Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This one is their skin therapy for face, and it has a rose hip fragrance to it. So basically it's kind of like a droplet, and these are so important to use. I actually learned a tip. You're supposed to use an oil or a serum after your moisturizer. Next bag I received is from Vichy and La Roche-Posay. Got the La Roche-Posay. This one is their travel size makeup remover and toner. The Vichy, this is their double glow pill mask. And you know me, I'm obsessed with like miniature everything. But this is so cute, you guys. Look how small. But I love these miniature ones. You can actually try it first before you purchase like the big jar. This one is their double glow pill mask, and this is gonna be so hydrating for the summer. I've been having like really dry skin lately. The La Roche-Posay, this is their normal to dry skin hydrating gentle cleanser. Oh, this is one of my favorites. This is the Vichy. This is their fortifying and hydrating daily skin booster. And this, I've actually tried this. It's really, really mattifying, but it's not greasy or thick. And look at how the packaging is. It's simply gorgeous. Very chic. So I have the Sheer Moisture. I got two of their products. This is their 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration body wash. As you know, I'm a sucker for body washes. This is 100% coconut oil. So I'm excited to try this because I need something to soften and hydrate my skin. We have the Sheer Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatments. This one is great for detangling, protecting, and controlling frizz, and great for hair types, all hair types. It has coconut milk and I can't pronounce that. I think it's Acai Senegal. And then also I received the Vitamin C Youthful number 7. These are droplets, Great Essence droplets. This one comes in a little jar form. I think this one is in a 10 millimeter. But yeah, you can use this after your moisturizer, and it will make your skin more softer and glowier. The number 7, this is the Nude Stay Perfect eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors that it comes in. And I've been actually kind of gearing, like kind of leaning towards more miniature size, miniature eyeshadows. And like these are great for traveling or just putting in your travel bag or makeup bag. But these are more nudes and you can't go wrong with nudes. The Botanics, this is 100% organic with rose hip nourishing facial oil. And you guys know I'm a sucker for facial oils. And last but not least, I also have the Soap and Glory. This is the Righteous Butter. This is a moisturizer with shea butter and aloe vera. And you guys know, look at how souffle this is. So it's kind of like a, you guys, this is to die for. I use Soap and Glory since college. And I'm obsessed. So I'm so glad I got the full jar from them. All right, you guys, so that wraps up my haul. I know this one was a short one, but this is what I received in this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like hauls, please like this video and don't forget to comment. Subscribe to Zero Effort Beauty for more videos, and we will see you guys next time.